Well, to do that, we need to welcome one more special guest. Let's hear it for our cantor for today, Jill Packman.
Hi there. Hi there. Hi.
Hello.
Chag Pesach. Oh, there we go. Chag Pesach Sameach. Can we all? Can we all? Chag Pesach Sameach, or Happy Easter, whatever. How's everybody today? Yes? Good, good. Okay, so we're gonna start with, what did we do on Wednesday night and Thursday night? We had something called, yes, seders. That means order. We'll get to order a little bit later. Hi. But there are certain things that we need for the seder table. So here we go. I hope you can help me. If you've got one of these, it's the first song. What are the things we need for our seder table? These are the things we need. Whoops. For our seder table, we need a seder plate. For our seder table, but the people round the table are what we need the most. What are the things we need for our seder table? Oh, there. These are the things we need. There they are. For our seder table, we need a Kiddush cup. We need a seder plate, but the people around the table are what we need the most. What are the things we need for our seder table? These are the things we need for our seder table. We need the 3 matzot. We need a Kiddush cup. We need a seder plate, but the people around the table are what we need the most. What are the things we need for our seder table? These are the things we need for our seder table. We need a haladah. We need the 3 matzot. We need a Kiddush cup. We need a seder plate, but the people around the table are what we need the most. We need the most. Woo! Yes, has anybody tried to do a seder with just 2 people? It doesn't work. It really doesn't work. So the people around the table, all of our people around the table, are what we need the most, right? Yeah, okay. So we talked about the seder, and the seder comes from the Hebrew word for order. So this is the only thing that I'm going to do totally in Hebrew. I'm sorry. Well, kind of, sort of. I'm going to do the 4 questions. Anyhow, so the seder has an order, and that's the word for it. So we're going to do a little Babylonian tune. Yeah, and I've still got the music from the park. So if somebody can turn off the music from the park, that would be great. Yeah, so. Okay, here we go. Here's the order of the seder. Here we go. Kadesh Orchatz. Kadesh Orchatz. Karkas Yachatz. Magid Rochza. Motzi Matzah. Baruch Oreh. Shulchan Oreh. Zabud Bareh. helps you remember the order of the seder, or the order of the order. The order of the order? Yeah, the order of the order. Okay. And then, okay, I've got something for you. Who speaks Greek here? Come on. Fess up. Does anybody speak Greek? You all speak Greek, and you're holding out on me. You all speak Greek because you all know what we search for after the Seder. What do we search for? What? Well, we start with the matzah, but it's got a name. Who knows the name? Afikomen. You see, you do speak Greek. It's a Greek word, afikomen. Does anybody know what that means? It's the good stuff. Dessert. I heard it. Yes. Dessert. Very, very good. So everybody does speak just at least one word of Greek, besides maybe alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Maybe we also do that too. That's also Greek. Okay, so here we go. Here's the song from the dessert is talking. The afikomen is talking. Oops. Oh, there we go. Here we go. I'm over here, come find me. I'm hiding in the books. I see you getting closer, but I can't get you no look. You do not seem to see me, but I'm looking right at you. I am the afikomen, and hiding's what I do. What do we do? Someone takes the middle matzah and they break it into two. I become one half of it, and I am here just for you. They wrap me in a napkin so I don't get crumbs around, and then they buy me back after I've been found. I'm over here, I'm hiding. You'll find me if you try. I see you getting closer, but then you go right by. You do not seem to see me, but I'm looking right at you. I have the afikomen, and hiding's what I do. I am the afikomen, and hiding's what I do. Thank you. Thank you. From the perspective of the dessert, that's the afikomen song. Yes, I'm looking right at you. I'm looking right at you. Okay, so what's the big thing for everybody that's old enough to talk at the Seder? What do they have to do? They have to sing or say the 4 questions. Count. There's 4 questions. You're going to count all 4, right? All right. Okay, I'm going to go find my 4 questions. I'm going to do it a little slower. Here we go. Everybody, repeat. Shebechol halelot, anu ochli chametz umatzah. Everybody, chametz umatzah. Chametz umatzah. Tonight only makes matzah. Halayla hazeh, count. Very good. Okay. Here we go. Okay, baby bear, you ready? Okay. Okay. Who's Anu and why do we want them to die? Oh. I think we've got... Oops. All right. Let's see if we got them or something. No. No. 6. Okay.